Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the SilverStone FARA R1 V2 series. So friends, SilverStone has announced the FARA R1 V2 series. So friends, this is the new product in the middle tower PC case family that features a mesh panel on the front panel for ventilation. And friends, there are two primary body colors, black and white. And friends, a selection of tempered glass and solid panels on the left side of the device. And friends, the hexagonal mounting space for graphics card length is 322 into 340 mm. Power supply unit's depth is 160 mm into 171 mm has been increased in comparison to the FARA R1 series, which was launched in January 2020. And in addition, a new slot for the installation of graphics card in the vertical orientation has been provided. And it is also possible to get the tempered glass model with the 120 mm RGB LED fan that has 3 front and 1 black LEDs. And when the cooling fan is 120 mm into 3 or 140 mm into 2 at the front, 120 mm into 1 at the back, and 120 mm or 140 mm into 2 at the top. And when the radiator supports 360 mm or 280 mm at the front, 120 mm at the rear, and 240 mm at the top. And when the drive bay contains a 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch shadow bay into 1, 3.5 inch shadow bay into 1, and 2.5 inch shadow bay into 2. And friend, the drive bay also includes a 3.5 inch shadow bay into 1. And friend, the expansion slots are arranged in 7 plus 2 step, and the external dimensions are 210 mm wide, 420 mm deep, and 445 mm high, with a capacity of 40.1 liters. And friend, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX are the form factors that are supported. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.